Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Lexus NX 2025. The Lexus NX 2025 is here, showcasing a blend of style, innovation, and cutting-edge technology. This luxurious compact SUV continues to refine its already impressive offerings, making it a standout choice in its class. One of the first things that grabs attention is the vibrant palette of colors available for the 2025 model. Lexus offers a range of sophisticated shades that cater to various tastes, from classic neutrals to bold, dynamic tones. Each color complements the vehicle's sleek, sculpted design, enhancing its elegant yet sporty appearance. The exterior design of the 2025 Lexus NX remains a highlight. With its signature spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines, the SUV projects a commanding presence on the road. The newly designed alloy wheels add to the overall aesthetic, while subtle refinements in the bodywork elevate the overall look. The NX not only looks good but is also built for performance and practicality. Its compact size makes it ideal for urban environments while still offering ample space for passengers and cargo. Under the hood, the Lexus NX 2025 is packed with advanced engineering. It offers multiple powertrain options, including a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid, catering to drivers seeking both efficiency and power. The hybrid model provides impressive fuel economy without compromising on performance, making it a great option for eco-conscious buyers. The plug-in hybrid version, on the other hand, delivers even greater efficiency with an extended electric-only range, perfect for daily commutes or city driving. For those who prefer a traditional gasoline engine, Lexus offers a turbocharged option that combines smooth acceleration with a responsive driving experience. Inside, the Lexus NX 2025 sets a new standard for luxury and comfort. The cabin is designed with premium materials, from soft leather upholstery to brushed metallic accents. The seats are supportive and adjustable, ensuring a comfortable ride for all occupants. The interior layout prioritizes convenience and functionality, with a spacious design that makes it easy to navigate controls and features. The ambient lighting system adds a sophisticated touch, allowing drivers to customize the cabin's atmosphere to their liking. The 2025 Lexus NX is also a showcase of advanced technology. It comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, seamless smartphone integration, and voice recognition. Features like wireless charging, a premium sound system, and multiple USB-C ports cater to modern connectivity needs. The driver assist technologies are equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system providing added safety and convenience. One of the standout features of the 2025 NX is its focus on innovation. Lexus has incorporated new smart features that enhance the overall driving experience. The digital key allows owners to unlock, start, and control the car using their smartphone, adding a layer of convenience. The intelligent climate control system adjusts automatically to maintain the perfect temperature, while the updated navigation system offers real-time traffic updates and route optimization. In terms of space, the Lexus NX 2025 strikes a perfect balance between compactness and practicality. The rear seats can be folded down to create additional cargo space, making it versatile for various needs. Whether it's a weekend getaway or daily errands, the NX provides the flexibility required for modern lifestyles. The panoramic sunroof is another feature that enhances the sense of space and luxury, allowing natural light to flood the cabin. The Lexus NX 2025 also prioritizes safety with a comprehensive suite of features under the Lexus Safety System Plus umbrella. This includes pre-collision warning, pedestrian detection, and road sign assist, ensuring peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The SUV's sturdy build and advanced airbags further enhance its safety credentials, making it a reliable choice for families. Thank you for watching this first look at the Lexus NX 2025. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, specs, and features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gear Run.